For the last 20 years, we've had a family fishing derby. This year we collaborated with Ingham County Parks here at Lake Lansing South. We had about 22 participants with their parents.
I work with Michigan State University's program out of the Department of Fisheries and Wildlife called Project Fish. Friends involved in sport fishing heritage, and what we do is partner with Meridian Township and local parks programs and Lions clubs and fishing clubs and things like that to get people fishing, to teach adults how to teach kids to fish, and then do those programs with the kids. Since I'm a park commissioner at Meridian Township, I also work with Meridian Township a lot to do some of their programs like this. When you push the first one down, see how all of them go down? You just make a C with your hand above them. Just kind of slowly push those down, and then you can hold them.
It's probably the most safest activity that we could do for the COVID restrictions. The kids are outdoors. Everybody was masked up. Everybody was 6 feet apart, and just enjoying the great outdoors. I mean, you're teaching the kids how to fish, teaching a lifetime activity that they can pass on to their kids, and just teach them how to be outdoors and having fun and enjoying being part of Meridian Township's recreation program. So you get one of these, and then a gift card to Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay?
Well, that's very generous. Thank you.
Great job, girl.
Today they went home with a little goodie bag of hot chocolate and Swedish fish and some mints and things like that. But then there's a local gentleman here, Paul Morrow. He's a chiropractor. He goes to garage sales and buys up all these antique fishing rods, ice fishing rods. And so I refurbished about 22 of them, and each one of the kids went home with one of those. It's nice to have community people looking out for things like that to get kids fishing.
This is called a pike, northern pike. And that fish can grow to be really, really big, like 3-4 feet big even.
We sent out emails to all our past participants of all our activities. They're always posted on our webpage, Meridian Township's webpage, and our Parks and Recreation page. Mainly just look on our webpage, and if you're a past participant, you're always getting an email from us.
People have never been on the ice before, and it's kind of cool. And that's what Meridian Township offers to a lot of people. We have the lake right here close. We got some ponds. We've got fishing opportunities, and it's just great. Meridian Township, great place to be.